Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we have this series circuit and we are asked to calculate the total resistance, current, and power. So let's get started. So since it's a series circuit, the total resistance RT will be equals to R1 plus R2. So this is this represent R1 and this represent R2. Okay, so RT will be equals to 5 ohms plus 3 ohms. So our total resistance will be equals to 8 ohms. As easy as that. So we are done with the total resistance. Next, the current. So for current, we can use Ohm's law. Okay, so we can use Ohm's law. We are going to have the voltage up. We have, you can write the current here, and the resistance you can put times divided by. So what does it mean? It means if I'm asked to calculate the voltage, you can see that I'll be left with current times time. If I'm asked to calculate the current, is voltage divided by resistance. So current is voltage divided by resistance, and resistance is voltage divided by current. So in our case, we are asked to calculate the current. So the current I will be equals to voltage divided by the total resistance, because we have two resistors, RT. So our current will be equals to, we know the voltage is 20 volt, this is the current. So we are going to have 20 divided by the total resistance, which is 8. Okay, so we can simplify this. We can first divide this by 4. If we divide this by 4, we are going to have 5. By 4, we are going to have 2. So we are going to have 2.5 amperes for the current. Our next question, we are done with the current. Our next question is to calculate the power, P. So there are many formulas to calculate the power. At the end, your answer will be the same. You can use voltage times current. You can also use power equals to I squared R. You can also use power equals to voltage divided by resistance. So at the end of the day, all of them will give you the same answer. So if we calculate the power, P will be equals to our voltage, which is 20 times the current. The current gave us 2.5. So we are going to have 2.5. If we multiply this, we are going to have 50 watt. The unit of power is watt. You can write W. So you can see this is our power. So we can also check other formulas. For example, if I say P, if I'm using I squared R, we are going to have 2.5 square times R. R is the total resistance, which is 8. So 2.5 square will give us 6.25. 2.5 square means 2.5 times 2.5 times 8. 6.25 times 8 will also give us 50 watt for the power. So you can try also with this formula, V square is V square R. So you can check this formula and compare your answer to both of them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.